again in our maths class. In our last video, we have started our chapter number 11, that is jugs and mugs. And today we will learn about capacity. So kids, do you know what is capacity? Guess what is capacity? Okay, I will tell you. Capacity is the maximum amount that something can contain, or capacity is a measure how much a container can hold. Here you can see different containers and the capacity contained by the containers are also different. And measuring spoons or measuring jugs can be used to measure capacity. Here are some containers. Now kids, tell me, will these containers hold the same amount of water? No. Each of these containers can hold different amount of water. See, 5 liter first containers can hold 5 liter of water. Second container can hold 1 liter of water. And the third container, that is glass, can hold 250 milliliter of water. So they will hold different amount of water, and the amount of water of these containers can hold is their capacity. Now capacity, how much a container can hold? Okay, here the cup, ice cream box, milk box and a milk gallon are having different amount of capacity. Now kids, tell me which container can hold maximum water? Yes, this blue container or blue glass can hold maximum amount of water. So we can say that blue glass has the maximum capacity among these containers. So we can say that this blue glass having maximum amount of capacity among these glasses. Now which container can hold the least water among these? Now we have to find out which container can hold least amount of water. Least means less amount of water. So we can say that this pink glass or pink container can hold the least amount of water. So we can say that the pink container has the least capacity among these containers. Now kids, do you know measurements are used in our daily lives? We already know that water, oil and milk are liquids. Liquids do not have definite shape and size, and they take the shape of a container. When the milk from the jar poured into the glass, it takes the shape of a glass. You can see in the picture milk in the jar and milk in the glass. When the milk from the jar poured into the glass, the milk takes the shape of a glass. So we can say that liquids do not have fixed shape or size. They take the shape of a container. Now kids, look at this jug and glass. Now tell me which one can hold more water? Obviously, the jug is bigger than the glass, so jug can hold more water. So here you can say that the jug has more capacity to hold water. Same way, bucket can hold more water than the jug. Suppose we can fill 10 buckets of water from this tank. Suppose we can hold 10 buckets of water from this tank. So this tank has capacity of 10 buckets. So what is the capacity of this tank? 10 buckets. Tank has greater capacity than a bucket. Or with the water from the well, we can fill many tanks That is, a well has capacity to hold more than a tank. Same way, we can fill so many tanks from this well. So we can say that well has capacity to hold water of many tanks. But how can we measure a fixed quantity of any liquid? Can we measure liquids like solids in grams or kilograms using the weighing scale? No, because liquids can flow easily. Liquids can measure like solid substances. We have to use containers to hold them, then only we can measure them. So instead of using weighing scale, we use container to measure liquids like oil, milk, petrol, etc. So kids, do you know the standard unit of capacity is liter. Here you can see the container. It is used to measure milk or oil. Now kids, you know what is capacity. Now we will see units of measuring capacity. Here capacity is measured in liter or milliliter, where L is a symbol for liter and ml is a symbol for milliliter. Kids, as we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So, if we want to convert liter into milliliter, for that we have to multiply liter with 1000. So kids, I hope you all have understood what is capacity. Conversion of units we will learn in our next video. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.